Good morning, students. Already we proved that root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 are irrationals. We are in that stage. Again, we need not go back to prove that root 2 or root 3 or root 5. Now, root 2, comma, root 3, comma, root 5, so on are irrationals. Now, they will ask you, prove that 6 plus root 2 irrational. 6 plus root 2 irrational. Already we proved that root 2 irrational is there. Now again, let us assume that six plus root 2 is rational. Again, we are taking a controversial way. Let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is rational. If 6 plus 2 is rational है तो 6 plus root 2 is equal to P by Q. Some people, some schools may they will take here P by Q or A by B, anything. Where here P and Q are integers. Integers means Z. Negative numbers, positive numbers, except Q is not equal to 0. That is common. We need not discuss many times like this. So now 6 plus root 2 is equal to P by Q. Now transpose 6 over here. Root 2 is equal to P by Q minus 6. Take LCM. Q is the LCM. And P minus by 1, 6Q. P minus 6Q by Q. So this is a fraction in the terms of P and Q is a rational. So we have equated this whole thing is equal to root 2. But what happened? Root 2 is already we proved that it is irrational. What happened? It is not possible. So root is irrational. So why this controversy happened means because I assumed that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. In this way, I got an answer root 2 is equal to this value P minus 6Q by Q, and it is we know that all the fractions in terms of P by Q are rationals. So that root 2 as per our equation it is rational, but it is not rational, it is irrational. So that my assumption is wrong. Our assumption, and we can write this statement. This statement contradicts my assumption. So our assumption or my assumption, we can write our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Very simple. Here 6 plus root is 6 over transpose. Sometimes we have to take the squares, SOBS. Not necessary. Please observe. If only one third, this is root is called a third. If one third is there, only one root number is there, one irrational number is there, you need not go for the SOPs. SOPs means squaring of both sides. So this is like that. Please copy it or take anything like this, and we will go for the next important key sum. That is very much important. That is key sum. Either any even board papers or NCERT or any other exams like ICSE also, that coming I am going to explain. That sum is very much important. Right. This sum is a final sum to prove that irrationals. If you know how to practice, how to do this coming sum, then all sums you can able to solve in this, so that in minimum 4 marks for that sum, and then 1 or 2 marks of this 1 mark questions. Nearly 6 marks are in your pocket for final exam. See, prove that 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is irrational. Here double sets, you can call it double sets. Here is one irrational is there, here one is there, but 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is irrational, we have to prove it. Same story, let us assume that controversial way, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is rational. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are integers. You can call it as Z integers, and then Q is not equal to 0, and then here two sets are there. Now here you have to go for squaring of both sides when two sets are there. Here SOBS, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square is equal to P square by Q square. Now expand, A plus B whole square, our formula is A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, or over A square plus 2AB plus B square. Like this, 3 root 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 whole square plus 2 into 3 root 2 into 2 root 3 is equal to P square by Q square. Calculation part is here very much important. So many people will go commit mistakes here only. Now 3 root 2 whole square, you have to multiply 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. So 3 into 3 or root 2 into root 2. See like this, 3 into 3 into root 2 into root 2. This is the 3 root 2 whole square, plus put brackets here 2 root 3, 2 into root 3 into root 3. Because for the convenience I have switch over here. Here root to root I kept here, root 3 I kept here, and then plus 2 into 3 into 2, 2 into 3 into 2, 2 to 4, 3 is 12 into, what is root 2 into root 3? Root 6. Root 6. Now 3 3 is 9, 9 into root 2 is equal to 2. So 9 into 2 it is equal to 18 plus 2 into 2 4 plus root 3 into root 3 3. So it is 12. So 18 plus 12 plus 12 root 6 is equal to P square by Q square. Now 18 plus 12, 30 plus 12 root 6 is equal to P square by Q square. First transpose 30 over here, 12 root 6 is equal to P square by Q square minus 30, that is equal to Q square denominator, P square minus 30Q square, that is your 12 root 6. Transpose 12 over here, so root 6 is equal to P square minus 30Q square by Q square. Here 12 multiplying, here go for the division again into 1 by 12, that is called 12 over here. So root 6 is equal to P square minus 30Q square by 12Q square, and absolutely this is a rational RHS, rational, because it is in the fraction form in terms of P and Q, so that root 6 should be rational. So root 6 should be rational. See, but root 6 is irrational, already we proved earlier. So that again my assumption is wrong. This statement contradicts my assumption. Write down. This statement contradicts our assumption. So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? I take 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is rational. It is wrong. So that it is ultimately it is irrational. We can copy the same thing in last, except this root 2 plus 2 root 3 is irrational, you can copy over here. Now this is over. This is very much some. Here sometimes you will have a symbol of minus here, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Then over it is minus 2ab. Then over it is minus, and then this minus 12 will transfer here, here over minus. Just changing the symbol only, but same pattern. Practice this type of sums. So many examples are there in your textbooks or any other publications also. Maybe textbooks may not possible to get the same type of sums or same type of examples. So that you have to go for another publications are there. So many publications are there, and then practice more and more this type of sums. Definitely you will get this sum for 4 marks definitely. See friends, another 2 or 3 topics are there in the first chapter. In the next class we are going to complete that chapter, rational numbers. So 1 2 3 4 topics, 4 parts mein this chapter is going to be completed, and then wait for the next topic. And then before that, please subscribe, please do subscribe my channel Medha Maths, and then share it, like it, and then forward to many other people, and over phone or over any other media also you can inform to your classmates and friends also, so that they will be grateful to you because you are showing some source. See students, sharing of the knowledge is very much important, but sharing the source of knowledge also very much important. See that? So be happy and then be concentrate on studies.